Hello, third graders. It's Mrs. Fernandi again, ready for a second lesson of week 4 in spelling. Remember, we're counting our vowels and our consonants, and we're thinking about endings like S and ES, a little bit with ING and a little bit with ED as well. Let's go ahead and look at the rest of the PowerPoint for this week. Here it is here. We're going to count some vowels and consonants again. So we have the word zip, one. How many vowels are there? There's one, the I, the short I sound. And how many consonants after that I? Only one, the P. Then check, we have the short E, in the middle of the word, and we follow it by the two consonants. Feel, again, that's the long E sound in the middle. There are two consonants in the middle. I'm sorry, two vowels in the middle, followed by only one consonant at the end, right? And match, we had the one short A sound in the middle, one vowel in the middle, three consonants at the end. It's important that you know how to do this. So in this one, I'm going to just pause for a moment. Here's the word clock. Just hold up a finger and show me how many vowels are in this word. There was one vowel in this word, the letter O. How many consonants are after the vowel, after the letter O? Two, that's right. Now we have the word pinch. How many vowels are in this word? Hopefully you said one. There's only one vowel. That letter I is the only vowel in the word pinch. How many consonants come after the vowel? N, C, H. Three consonants are coming after that vowel. Seat, how many vowels do you see? Yes, two, the E and the A in seat. Those are two vowels making that long seat sound. How many consonants come after that vowel? Only one, the letter T, right? And last one, fit. How many vowels do we have? Just the one vowel, I, and it's followed by how many consonants? Just one, the letter T. This will become important as we go further into our spelling study. Now, let's talk about some sight word memory steps. The first word is the word group. Group is not spelled in a way that you could just know by the spelling rules. It really has an unusual spelling. So we want to underline the hard part. And in group, the hard part is the OU, because OU doesn't usually say the oo sound. So we really need to commit this to memory. So if we underline the hard part, it's better for our brains to remember. So we've got the GR sound at the beginning, grr, and then we have this funny oo sound in the middle, which is spelled OU, followed by P, which is spelled with a P. So the GR and the P are easy in this word. Grr, oop. I can hear all of that. What's difficult in this word is the OU. So that's the part you need to remember. Sometimes if we can just find the part we really find a little challenging, then we don't have to remember all of the spelling because some of it we already can hear. The next word is mind. Underline the hard part. I kind of underlined the long I sound. Some people find that to be the hard part about this word, but I can hear the I, the long I sound pretty well. Mind. Some people have a hard time hearing the ND. And so I bolded the ND because for some people, that's the harder part. So mind. Won't. Oof, that's a tough one. It's a contraction. It's a contraction that comes from will not. I won't go to bed yet. Instead, I might say, I will not go to bed yet. Will not comes together and makes the contraction won't. We get rid of the whole I, L, L, N, O. And oh no, the N stays there. And we're going to make it into the word won't. The hard part for this is the ON and the apostrophe T. The only thing that stays completely the same is the letter W. All right, so those are some sight words that we just need to memorize. And then for fun, I put up there a sight word that I just think is a fun one to learn. Laugh, laugh and you get happy. There's the L, A, so laugh, L for laugh, A for and, U for you, G for get, and H for happy. laugh and you get happy, and that's how to spell the word laugh. Okay, go ahead and take out some paper and your pencil, and let's go to our whiteboard. Okay, let's start by writing the word clock. So clock is the word that I can hear the CL at the beginning, the cl. Is the cat is on the chair. I know that's a short O sound, and k at the end of a short word, we're gonna spell that CK. Do you remember that? CK are two consonants that come together. We call that a consonant digraph. But you don't have to remember those words, but it helps if you can think, oh, CK, those come together to make one sound. Those consonants make one sound together. The next word is pinch. We did this last time. Write the word pin and then the ch part. Again, some people have a hard time hearing the n sound right before a really strong a consonant digraph like ch. Okay, let's write the word length. Oh my goodness, the football field was 100 yards in length. This one, the N is really hard to hear. Eng, like ing, but eng. So if I were gonna underline a part of this word, I would underline the NG, I think. Lang, I can hear the E, I can hear the th at the end, but the NG can be a little tricky. So you want to cover this word, close your eyes, say it again, write it again, open your eyes, and of course, always check it as well. Now, let's write the word hills. Now, I want you to say the word hills, and I want you to say the hills are awfully high in Seattle. So we're gonna first think about a base word, which is hill. Now, remember what I said probably in week 1, the L sound at the end of a word is usually spelled with 2 L's. This is not true for all spellings with L. Oh, whoopsie, I put 2 extra ones. So we have 2 L's. We're just gonna add an S on the end there. Okay, let's write the word passes. Passes. So first we're gonna write pass. Pass the potatoes, please. Pass, and then we're going to add passes. We're gonna add a whole nother syllable. Now we know we have to have a vowel in every syllable in the English language. So we do need to add the ES there. We need to have that E. We need to have a vowel in that second syllable. All right, now let's write the word also. So the word all, because it's a short 1-syllable word, we're gonna use a double L. But when we make it into a 2-syllable word, also, we're gonna take away one of the L's and put so on there. So don't be fooled. It's just like the word always. Here's the word all, but when we make it into always, we're gonna take away one of the L's and add W-A-Y-S, always. The next word is bought. Bought is a tough word. We're gonna look for the hardest part of this word. Let me help you with this one. B-O-U-G-H-T. Of course, we don't hear the U-G-H at all. It is silent. Bought. So we would underline the O-U-G-H probably, that whole section. Bought, brought, sought, right? There's several words that have that same spelling with a different letter at the beginning. So bought. Let's write the word anywhere. Now let's think about this word, because this word can be very challenging too. Lots of kids misspell any like that because that's what it sounds like, any. Or sometimes they spell like this, any. But we know that we spell any, A-N-Y, anywhere. Here is that W-H digraph and then R-E-R-E. Okay, let's find just a couple more words to spell today. Let's do the word father. Father. So we have f-a, v-er, the at the end of the word there. Yes? Okay, so let's do the word crafts. They liked doing crafts at the table. Oops, I can hear the cr at the beginning. The cat is at the table. Craft, F, and then of course the S at the end to make a plural. Okay, let's do drops. The raindrops fell. On the chair, the cat is on the chair, drops. And our last one for today is toward. I like doing this in syllables, toward. Here's our word to. Ward, W-A-R-D. That's a little hard to hear. I would underline the A-R in that case because it doesn't quite sound like R. Toward, it sounds almost more like an O, so be careful with that one. Now, don't forget to study hard for your spelling test the next time I see you. That's what we'll be doing. All right, take care and study hard.